Buying a home can feel overwhelming. Credit scores, lenders, inspections, negotiations. It's a lot to figure out, so I created a complete step-by-step home buyer guide on my website. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, from the moment you start thinking about buying a home all the way to closing day. If you go to gowilsonproperties.com/buy, you'll see the full home buyer guide. This guide breaks the process down into simple steps so buyers can move forward confidently instead of guessing their way through one of the biggest financial decisions of their life. Most home purchases typically close within about 30 to 60 days, but the preparation actually begins well before that. Let's start with the first step. One of the first things lenders look at is your credit score. While a score above 720 is ideal, many loan programs allow buyers to qualify with lower scores. Different loan types like FHA, VA, and conventional loans all have different requirements. Even a small difference in interest rate can save or cost tens of thousands of dollars over the life of a loan. That's why understanding your credit early in the process is so important. Before looking at homes, it's important to understand your real budget. A common guideline is that housing costs should stay around 28% of your gross monthly income. But many buyers forget about maintenance. A good rule of thumb is to set aside 1 to 2% of the home's value each year for maintenance and repairs. Planning ahead helps you avoid surprises later. The next step is getting pre-approved for a mortgage. This is different from a pre-qualification. A pre-approval means a lender has reviewed your finances and confirmed what price range you qualify for. In today's market, most sellers will only accept offers from buyers who are already pre-approved. It also gives you confidence when you start touring homes. Many buyers don't realize how important a good buyer's agent is. A buyer's agent isn't just there to open doors. They help analyze property values, negotiate offers, protect your interest in the contract, and guide you through inspections and closing. When you're making one of the biggest purchases of your life, having an experienced advocate matters. When touring homes, remember that listing photos are marketing. Wide-angle lenses and staging can make spaces look very different in person. Pay attention to things photos can't show: layout, storage, ceiling height, natural light, and neighborhood feel. Once you find the right home, your agent will help prepare a strong offer based on recent comparable sales. Most offers include earnest money, typically around 1 to 3% of the purchase price. Once your offer is accepted, the home moves into the closing process. This usually includes a home inspection, an appraisal ordered by the lender, and final loan approval through underwriting. Most closings happen within 30 to 60 days after the contract is accepted. If you'd like to see the full step-by-step guide, visit gowilsonproperties.com/buy. And if you're thinking about buying a home anywhere in Virginia, feel free to reach out. I'm here for you, and I'm just a text or a call away.